welcome to 17,000 Flavors of Indonesia from
the armpit of America.
Okay,
today, so we...
Alright, so introductions.
Oh, that not yet?
Yes? Huh?
Already, right?
No, these two.
Okay, already. Oh yeah,
Yes,
we forgot.
yes.
So we're in Beaverdam right
We
now.
just found them on the street.
Yeah.
We
Yes.
brought them
We
in.
just like, do you want to cook with us? Okay. So.
Yeah.
Already.
Alright, so we're here actually visiting my family. We did a video with my mom the other day with her friend, which was fun. And my mom actually liked the food, so that was great.
Yeah.
And now we're at my brother's house and his wife, and we are going to be cooking with my nieces, Lainey and Josie, and they're actually going to be cooking. So
Yes.
this will be very exciting.
Okay, speaking about cooking, what kind of things that you guys like to cook?
I typically cook a lot of fish, but I also really like anything spicy.
Oh,
Okay.
what about you?
I really like just onions and peppers and all that good stuff. Just throwing it in a pan and see what happens. So that's
Okay.
my favorite.
Well, that's kind of what we're going to do, right?
We're just gonna dump everything.
Yeah. There's no recipe, and just like we do at our house,
Yes.
we just start putting stuff together.
Yes.
And so we're gonna
Yeah.
do a little experimentation here.
Yeah, we need explore. That's the
Yes,
point
yes,
here.
yes,
Yeah.
Having fun and explore. Yeah.
Okay. All right, so Abby, take it away.
Okay, so what we have here. Okay, we have chicken here. Chicken. We're gonna cook chicken. Lenny said you like the chicken finger, but today we're gonna make something different than chicken finger. It's very easy. Yeah, less than 10 minutes. You just dump, saute, done. Especially if you guys in a rush.
Yeah.
All right then. So we have chicken slice here. We have onion. We have, what do you call these?
Just peppers.
Sweet
Peppers,
I guess.
sweet peppers, and of course we're gonna use one of our seasoning here. So I brought 4 of our seasoning. We have BUMBU Samawa here. We have yellow seasoning or BUMBU KUNING, and we have white seasoning or BUMBU PUTI, and this is the spicy one. It's called BUMBU MERAH. Let's do the yellow seasoning for this. All right then. So who wanna cook first?
Yes.
Let's move. Yeah, okay. We're gonna cook the meat first.
Okay.
So let them cook a little
Yeah.
bit, and then you can put the
Goodies.
veggies after that.
Tell us what you guys have been doing
Yeah.
during this pandemic.
Literally nothing. Truly nothing.
What?
Yeah.
I mean, I've gone to a couple of friends' houses, but it's been like really awkward and just kind of weird trying to get back into things. But
Okay.
I guess that's expected.
Yeah.
I roller skate.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Where are you roller skating?
Anywhere there's a parking lot.
Oh, okay.
So-
Who's over here? Hello. Okay, so there is my mom to the left, my brother's wife, Tommy Sue, and my brother, Jeff.
Folks.
Okay.
All right then. First, we're gonna put the sliced chicken.
Okay.
Call it 15.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Just dump everything. Just dump it.
Just dump it.
Yeah,
oh
dump
my
it.
gosh. You're giving me so much freedom here.
Yeah.
That's what cooking is about.
Yes, please. Cooking is freedom. Cooking is fun. Okay. Yeah. Closer, bear. Peppers. Okay. We're gonna put the seasoning now. It's the yellow seasoning. Yes. Open it.
Okay.
And put perhaps. Okay. Do like 4 spoons.
Okay.
1. And we don't produce this with a lot of salt, so
It's good.
so then you can add salt as whatever you want. Yeah. How many? One more.
4.
Okay, so usually when we cook in Indonesia, we use coconut milk
Ooh.
But since we don't have coconut milk here, do you have any like milk?
Yeah.
Just put a little bit milk. Yeah. Put just a little bit milk. A little bit more. 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 That's it. Yeah. Okay.
Looking really good.
Okay, so now salt. Put your salt. Okay, so speaking about salt, you have to put salt a little bit,
A little bit
and
at
then
a
you
time.
taste it. Just a little bit.
Okay. Alright.
Salty?
That's good.
That's good.
I think it's good. Yeah. It's fine.
Then dump this then.
That's really not.
Oh yeah.
So what are we calling this?
What do you call it? Okay. I think we are good.
Yeah.
We are ready with our chicken Beaverdam.
Yeah.
Okay, here. Split here all about.
That looks really good.
I really like the zucchini.
Okay. Ta-da!
Yay!
Too hot?
No, I'm just trying to get the
The onion?
good amount.
Okay.
Okay.
You're good.
Oh.
It's hot. It's hot.
Hmm?
Good.
Good? Okay, Josie. Lenny, come.
Let's see. There you go.
If you want more spicy, you can put this.
I'm okay. Try it as is.
Make sure you blow it real well.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, please. Somebody should start singing Jeopardy music. It's gonna take a while. That's really good. What's the verdict?
Oh, thank you, Josie.
Yay!
It's all you.
Okay, so, see, it's very easy, right?
Yeah.
You just need to cut, chop, chop, dump, cook.
Yeah.
That's it.
I like
And we use the, where's that? The yellow one. So this one, literally, you can cook with anything. Like, whatever you want.
All right. So
ENAK SEKALI.
ENAK SEKALI.
All right.
Alright, Josie. I'll take a little bit. Mom and Dad first.
Anybody want one?
I'm trying to
You want a
cool
bowl? Or no?
it. I gotta have a fork.
Oh, yes.
Oh,
Your
yes,
fork
and then
or
you
the
want
fork
that.
on
Oh,
the
good.
plate.
Your fork is right there. Oh, I got it.
Delicious.
See, Josie, you know now how to cook?
Yes.
Yes,
That's
very
good.
easy.
Very good.
If you have rice,
Ooh,
you can put
this
it
would be
as a
really good on
sandwich.
rice.
The
yeah.
zucchini is just perfectly done.
What do you think, Mom?
Delicious.
Yeah. Josie,
Yum.
Yes.
good.
Oh, no, I'm good.
Good, Josie.
That's really good.
Josie,
Oh, yes.
Okay.
take a bow.
All right.
You made a fabulous meal.
Thank
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So they're chowing down, and we're gonna have
Yeah, we're gonna have a second.
second go.
Second go. Lenny will do the second one. It's gonna be very spicy.
All
Thank
right.
you.